Yet again, I'm here with my day 5th activity, session 5, which is we have to make a coin collector game. So I have made it uh, in two levels, level 1 and level 2. So this is this design. So here Toby is going to collect the coins and move to the next level. So there are only two levels. So now let me quickly move to the code. So in the code, previously in the earlier video, I have shown that it's taking time. Okay, I have shown that in the previous video that when that the score increases by many folds even though only 20 coins are placed in the screen. So that thing I was able to stop by putting an extra code here, that is moving the coin backwards. I tried upwards, it is going sidewards. So I changed this up, down, backward, forward, and later on I came up with backward here. So when the coin is moved backward by 5 meters in 1 second, and then the coin is made to appear invisible, then Toby is not able to collide with the coins again and again, and the score does not increase. So this is regarding one thing, and then I have added one sound here for each time Toby collides with the coins. The sound will There will be a sound. So that's it. I have added, and let us move to the game. So let me put on full screen and let me click on green flag. So when the green flag is pressed, it reloads the scene and we can begin the game. Yes, he's standing there. So let me press arrow keys. And one more thing regarding the following of Toby, I felt that it is not possible. So what I'm going to do here is when the curve comes, I'm going to shift myself using the mouse click. So now, so that I can see the road in front ahead clearly. So few coins are above. I need to click space bar to jump up. Now again I have to shift my view from here. Okay, let me move. So when Toby is collecting the coins, you can see here when it touches the last coin of this level, it moves to the second level, that is level 2. And again I have to press the green flag here so that it, yes. Now in this level, you may ask what is new here. It is just that it is not on the ground, it is on the water. So there is an island and the sounds have been different sounds I have made use. So again, I'm changing the view of my camera with the help of mouse. Okay, let me again change the camera. So that's it. We have come to the ending of level 2. So it is little bit slow. Maybe we should increase the speed of Tobi too. The way he moves can be made bigger, I think. So that's it. Finish. That's all regarding my coin collector game. Hope this video is clear. Thank you everyone.